It depends on the flow that will make you a hoe. I know.
Of course, the birthday family, mommy and daddy.
That's my worries all away. I'm gonna take it easy, got no reason to work all day.
Thank you so much po na nakarating kayo. Kahit na medyo umulan nung midday and then na traffic pa. I hope po mag-enjoy yung lahat. Kids, enjoy the games and yung pa-magic show ni host.
Okay.
Just wanna thank everyone for coming, and then Kayon, I love you.
How about Viveka? Do you want to say something?
Thank you for coming and I love you all. Magpalag kayo.
Mommy!
Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark.
Listen to daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark.
Grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark.
Grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt.
Thank you so much. Candidate number 1, let's have candidate number 2. And we have candidate number 3. And we have candidate number 4. And last but not the least, candidate number 5. Alright, ladies, adjust lang tayong konti if we take a picture. Okay? Pag-isuot muna ng shoulder bag. Okay? Sorry guys, but this is part of my job. Bago tayo mag-picture, please look at the camera. And kung ano yung gagawin ni Kuya Lee, gayahin nyo na lang po for your poses. Okay? Okay? Alright, and DJ, music please. Guys and guests, clubbing and on. Hop!
Maybe it's driving me crazy, my obsession from a western, my dance floor date, my rodeo, Romeo, and how I got from head to toe. Wanna make you mine, better get in line. 5, 6, 7.
Alright, ladies, thank you so much.
Alright, let's say in front of you. What your name is? Ilang taon po? Ano pong ginagawa niyo sa buhay? Nag-office, hindi naman po kayo sa government. Baka mawalan po ako ng trabaho after this. Okay. Sige, mapa-adjust lang po kayo ng konti. And ano si Kayon?
Anak ng office.
Okay, anak ng office mate. So, office mate kasi Mama Ethel. And of course, para maklaim yung prize, the title of that music is Sayaw Kikay DJ! Music, please!
Sayaw Kikay, Sayaw Kikay. Sayaw Kikay.
43, ano pong ginagawa sa buhay?
Okay, sige po. And kaano muna si Kyle? Pamangkin. I know hindi mo ko ipapahiya kay Kyle, right? Okay. Bibigyan kita ng isang premyo pag alam yung title, dadalawahin ko pag nasayaw nating dalawa. Okay? The title of that music is? Makane. And DJ, music please! Alright! Thank you so much for this National Sport. Ito po, ibibigay ko sa iyo yung gift certificate for Google worth 5,000 pesos. And you also won a Samsung Galaxy tablet. Okay, do you want to see something, Kayon?
Happy birthday, Kayon. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much.
Used to call me on my cell phone. Drop it to the floor then. Now lean then. Turn around then. Turn around then. Now wiggle. I'm talking about that dark truck. Now bag it up and dump it. Bag it up and dump it. Bag it up and dump it. I'm talking about that dark truck. You should just know you freak boy. You should just
Dayak maghatong tutanan. Iat biday. Sige lang. I wanna see your booty go. Cheek by cheek. I wanna see your booty go. Baby girl, just move if you wanna. Shake if you wanna. Sige, look it.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
This time must be energy and clap your hands, everyone. Come on. Happy birthday to you. One more. One more. Happy birthday to you.
I hear you always pray that you want to be more gentle, kind, and loving. That's also my prayer for you. That you become a kind and God-fearing and very loving brother to your sister, and that you always study hard so that you will get medals, right? Okay. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay, how about that?
Kyle, I just wish you listen more and learn to obey and be kind to your sister.
Okay, so you can stand up. Alright, close your eyes, Kayan. And the count of 3. 1, 2, 3, blow.
Let me tell you.
One more. You can do it more. Alright, let's all shout happy birthday, Kayan! Okay. This time, mommy's in there.
Kita agak 様とゆく宇宙の苦情が言葉また手にさらわれたりいつも通れない夜をまたの気持ちを癒してきたけど出し切らない実力は誰のせい止まらない未来を目指して
1, 2, 3. Look at the back. 4, 5. That's the puppet. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right. Okay, sit down first. Come on, kids, sit down first. Sit down first. Okay. Did you please stop the music? Okay. No. Stop dancing. I said stop dancing. Sige na. Wala nang music. Okay. Can you stop dancing? Okay. One more time. Hi. One more. Hi. Look at them. Bakit na? Wala sumasagot. Bakit? Kasi walang buhay. Buhay? Lagyan mo ng buhay. Hi, buhay. No, I mean with energy. Energy? Yes. Hi! Kamustahin mo sila? Okay. You just kaya, okay? Kamusta ka na? Palagi kitang pinaginaot, nakikita. One more. Tuti na lang. Wala yung kasi at pinagkatusan at kasi one more. Kasi nalawan din. Say come on, kids. Kasi nalawan din. Ino, come on. Hindi mo na yung kinakanta mo, nanonood na silang lahat. Sige na. Ino. Ha? Ino. Ha? Is he sleeping? Is he sleeping?
Yes, he's sleeping.
Okay, I'm so sorry kids, but I think... Why?
Hey, just look at them still.
Tumitingin siya sa akin?
Yeah,
Maka?
it's okay. It's okay.
Okay. Sige, ganito. Anyway, kids, siguro napagod yung best friend natin na puppet, which is si Ino. Kasi kanina galing pa kaming mayapang from Kanlubang. Bakit ba?
Just look at them.
Is he awake?
Yes. Oh, just look at them still.
Okay. Anyway.
My eyes.
Anyway, malapit lang naman yung bahay ni Kuya Ray. Ayaw kang Kabuya, Laguna. Okay. Is he awake?
Yes.
Ay, then, sila nga kakamustahin mo. Sila nga. Sabi mo, kamusta po kayo? Okay lang. Okay, sige, ganito na lang. Sundan mo ako. Sundan kita? Oo. Pantay to, pantay. Hindi tayo alis. Ang ibig ko sabihin, repeat after me. Okay. Ganito. Ganito. Wala pa. Wala pa. Hindi kasama yun. Hindi kasama yun. Hindi lahat gagayahin mo. Hindi lahat gagayahin mo. Alam ko na. Alam ko na. Ang pangit ko. Alam mo rin. No. Okay, kids, this is my friend. His name is Ino. What is his name?
Ino.
Yeah, I'm Ino. And Ino? Yes. Ilang taon ka na? I'm 6 years old. 6 years old. Yahoo! Kids, can you raise your hand if you're also 6 years old? And do you know how to sing? Me too. Okay. Watch me. Okay. Watch me, Nene. Music, please. Okay. Ganagan mo? Siyempre. Ang tagal ah. Ang tagal. Okay. Galingan mo? Siyempre. Okay. Come on. Ako muna, and then ikaw. Okay. Ako muna din ikaw. Okay. Araw-araw ikaw ang gusto kong kasama.
Tuwing kontento na, tuwing nandito ka.
Sa tabi ko o aking giliw,
Halos di ako nakataniwala
na ang dati kong pangarap.
katotohanan na.
Ikaw ang aking
Inspirasyon.
at basta't nandito ka, come on, ako'y liligaya. Your turn.
Dahil sa'yo, ang laban na to.
Uy.
Kuya Rob, come on! Yeah! Nakakaya to! Sige lang! Tagtawanan niyo ako!
Sige na. Sir, may gusto kong sabihin sa kanila.
Kayo lahat!
Turo mo sila.
Kayo lahat! Nakakaya to!
Ayun po yung mami tsaka yung daddy ni Kayon. Anong tawag mo sa kanila?
That's my uncle! Ate!
O tawag mo si ate.
Ate! Sagot ka!
Ayun siya.
Ate! Aba, yung sanagot!
Sige. Ayun po si daddy niya. Anong tawag mo sa kanya?
Kuya Don! Sumagot ka din! Tawa kayo ng tawa!
Sige na sir, ganito na lang. Babatiin mo na ng happy birthday si Kayon.
Kayon!
Turo mo siya.
Kayon! Kasalanan mo to! Kung hindi dahil sa'yo, di ako pinagtatawanan!
Sige na sir, magbababay na tayo.
Hindi ta!
Bakit?
Ayoko magbabay.
Bakit?
Sasayaw pa ako. Music please! Yeah! Gustong gusto ko to! Yeah! Gusto ka na! Yeah! Yeah! Ayoko na!
Sige na sir, magbabay na po muna kayo kay Ate Lisa.
Ate Lisa!
Turo mo siya.
Ate Lisa! Sumagot ka! Kuya Don!
Ayun, sige doon.
Kuya Don! Sumagot ka din! Mahal mo ba si Kayon?
Mahal niyo daw po ba si Kayon? Mami Lisa?
Mas malakas! Mahal mo si Kayon? Sumagot ka! Isang tanong, isang sagot.
Sige po.
Ate Lisa! Mahal mo si Kayon?
Mahal niyo daw po si Kayon?
Patunayan mo, ikaw magsuot nito.
Malakpakan naman natin si Kuya guys. Thank you so much! Alright!
But no edit to anything goes on the top so on. Free my little easy. And let's just get lit. Young money, cash money, they're guilty. Let's go to war every night. And it's late tonight, no shadow in history. In history, there is great victory. Still has 24 hours